Greetings! We're back again with an updated tour of Jewel, a new neighborhood by Lennar that's currently under construction here in Valencia, California. The neighborhood is located on the corner of Commerce Center Drive and Middleton Street, right across the street from Verve Park on one side and Magic Mountain to the east. This video is presented by your local real estate experts, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Since our first preview just a few weeks ago, the model homes have opened, so this updated video includes fresh aerial clips and a look inside. Like other neighborhoods throughout the FivePoint Valencia community, Jewel is ideal for those who prefer a low-maintenance lifestyle, complete with well-kept common spaces and landscaping that's built to thrive in our SoCal climate. The homes at Jewel are modern, three-story paired townhomes ranging from approximately 1,800 to nearly 2,500 square feet. Depending on the floor plan, each one includes 3 or 4 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, and an attached 2-car garage. While there are no backyards or patios, each home does come with 1 or 2 covered decks. Stepping inside the models, the first floor typically includes a secondary bedroom, a full bathroom, and access to the garage. The second floor is where you'll find the main living space, which features an open layout combining the living room, dining area, and a modern kitchen. There's also a half bathroom along with a connected covered deck. Upstairs, on the third floor, you'll find the primary bedroom and connected bathroom, the remaining bedrooms, secondary bathrooms, and either a laundry room or closet. Some homes even include a deck connected to the primary bedroom. For recreation, residents have access to Confluence Park, one of the most impressive resort-style recreation areas in all of Santa Clarita. There are also several small neighborhood parks, a community garden, and miles of trails winding throughout the area. And yes, there are monthly HOA fees and an annual Melrose, which is typical for most newer neighborhoods in the area. To check out current listings or learn more about nearby schools, shopping, or recreation, just click the link in the description to visit GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. While you're there, you'll also find helpful guides and video tours for nearly every community in Santa Clarita. And before you visit or register with a builder, be sure to contact us first. That way, we can represent you from the very beginning and help protect your best interests every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching. And if you need help buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to reach out. And remember, when you work with us, there's never any sales pressure, ever. See you in the next one. Bye for now.